What's going on YouTube? It's your boy 650 bringing back another video, and today this will be my first official MotoVlog. That's crazy to say. I've been waiting to do this for so long, man. Like, it's been a minute, and I don't know. I'm really testing out the where to position my mic. So this audio is bad. This audio is bad. Oh my god, I need some gloves. These things do not work on touchscreen. But if the audio is bad, then we'll know in this video. But yes, this is my first MotoVlog. Like I said, I don't know how much time I have on my camera, cause I don't got a big HD card, so I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm heading to one of my friends, my brother's job right now, because I'm taking off my mirrors right here, because first of all, I wanted to see if I can take it off, because I fucking cracked it. So we're just gonna leave that down. I ordered some blockers and stuff, so I'm just take them off and just order some new ones and all that stuff. But let's get on with it. We'll talk more when we're on the ride. I get a little, what is called, cold start for you guys. Now look at this. I bought one of them too. Had to order some of them too. It's a hassle. I mean, I need to get a quad lock. Quad lock, if you're seeing this, help your boy out. She don't sound too bad. Yep, but if you guys don't know, this is my 2006 R6. She got all 4 cylinders working now. She ain't got two no more. So she breathing a little better. I don't know what you want to say about that analogy, but yeah, let her warm up a little bit. Get a sound check. My neighbor's probably gonna hate me, but let's go ahead and go. Oh my lord. Yeah, it's a little cold out here today. And I don't know if it's windy. It's windy out here. But yeah. It's about like 60 or whatever. I don't even know what it is, honestly. But we're rolling with it. We're gonna do the best we can out here. It don't feel that bad. It actually feels good. But as far as wind goes on the mic, I don't know if you guys can hear much wind. Like I said, I really can't test it out because it's my first time. So we're gonna see how it sounds after this video. But yeah, this truck in front of me is very freaking tall. Oh man, don't take me to school. That's a dog? It's something hit my helmet. What the hell is that? Something hit my helmet, but I don't even know what to talk about. I should do like a Q&A, but I've been doing YouTube for a couple of years now, and I just struggle with really just figuring out like what I want to do for like YouTube and all that stuff, and like what kind of content I want to post. So it's been a struggle for me, at least. But I figured out a little bit that I like to do motorcycles. I like to ride motorcycles, so that's what we're doing. And we're gonna see how MotoVlog thing takes us, and see if we can get some content going for you guys and be consistent. As long as I keep my bike up and running, I don't see why not. You know, but it is what it is. But I enjoy just riding around anyway. So might as well record it, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be weird. I gotta learn how to ride without my mirrors now, because they're gonna be going off soon. So it's like, basically I gotta learn how not to use them until I get my bar ones, of course. I'm not gonna be mirrorless. I feel like that's a little dangerous. Hey, how you doing? I heard it's talking about bike back. I heard it gotten louder. I mean, I can say a little bit. It has a little bit, which is cool, you know. I don't really see it. I don't really hear it. Sometimes I have music playing. I just be vibing when I be riding, and so it's really cool. Like people like, I heard you coming down the road before you even showed up, and I'm like, hell, you know what I'm saying? Like, you hear me pull up? I don't know, man. This is my first one. I'm just freaking excited, man. Like, I just thought about it. I'm really motovlogging right now. I don't even know my camera's still recording. It is! Yes! I don't know how much time I have left, but hey, you gonna pull out on me? What the fuck? Oh, yeah! In this vlog, I don't know when I'm posting this, but at the same time, I rode a little bit with my some friends I met, and we rode last night and I recorded. So I'm gonna put this in this vlog at some point. I don't know, I'm gonna put this after this. I'm most likely gonna put it after these clips. So so I might end this when I get towards my brother's job, but I'm gonna put that in this vlog so you guys will see a little nighttime riding with an R1, a ZX-10R, and a Hayabusa. They're to racing the thing. They did that, but we're not gonna say any. We was in Mexico though. We was definitely Mexico racing, so we went all the way to Mexico to race a little bit. So we wasn't like we was in you know, some racing on the streets, nothing. But yeah, around the corner up here. When I go around the corner up here, like it's always like a lot of old people sitting outside, and so it's gonna be funny because they always turn their head and like stare at me when I roll past. We don't know. Hell yeah, man! That shit hard! Let's get out of here. What the hell is that? You trying to race me? What the fuck? Oh man! I got dusted, y'all! I'm finna sell my bike. Then I slow down. Damn, my bike live as hell. What the freak? I know this obnoxious. Like a casual person just riding around, I know it's obnoxious. Like just hearing this like bike pass by, like yo, you know what I'm saying? What is called ranch hand or a little the freaking I don't know was there. Like I said, this is my first motovlog, so it's not really I have like a topic for the video. I'm really excited that I can be able to record like now, so but I'm probably not gonna cut to the clips I got from last night.
What city? Like downtown? Downtown?
Shit, you go from downtown.
Well, we'll probably I mean, we can.
I'm the slowest one here.
No, because we can go back up.
These boys crazy. These boys crazy. I own that. I got a fucking 600 here. But hey, we're gonna make it work. He got a ZX-10 Hayabusa R1. I'm over here at the 600. Like, she like she bad as fuck. They blow my head. We're finna get the cops called on us, bro. We're definitely in Mexico. We're finna get the cops called on us for real. And I'm the slowest one here, so they gonna get me first. They gonna get me first, bro. Bro, the fucking... Oh my God! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Not really much I'm gonna do. I'm just enjoy the ride, and And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.